that was cold, boy. It's probably freezing. It's kind of windy today. Get the fuck out of here. Alright guys, alright, we're at United Motorsports. They just bought this place as a grand opening. We're going to check out some shit and we'll see you. I mainly only came here for Josh Black, who makes 3D parts for Honda Talons. What in the world? What in the world? Oh my god, I'm freezing. I was gonna buy a jacket in there, but it was like $280. I don't know. I just couldn't see spending that much for a jacket. I really want to just squeeze between all these people right now and get the f through here, because boy, I tell you what. Damn, is that TRX? That's TRX. I ain't got no music playing. I don't even have music playing. That's how cold I am. This is my riding jacket for the summertime, obviously, and typically I just put long sleeve tight jacket underneath of it and just squeeze in there. Somebody must be getting this thing delivered. So I think I might stop at a Walmart and get like a cheap ass hoodie. I knew I should have bought one of them jackets up there. I'm gonna end the tour here. Make sure I'm not going too far off the beaten path. Man, look at that big old school. Damn, another Kroger. I know exactly where I'm at. Oh man, this is wild. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been through here, I'll tell you that. I don't really venture off in Cincinnati too much. Cincinnati is not an enjoyable area to go, you know. I'm so cold, my arms hurt. I feel like I'm getting frostbite. I used to know somebody that lived over here. Sadly. God dang. God damn, it's rough. Yeah, I know, he's got it cold. The fuck? Oh my god. You know that was cold, boy. He's probably freezing. This boy is wild. This boy is wild. That dude's gotta be freezing. Dude's gotta be freezing. Bless. Boy, some bitches eats it. I was a little bit worried about the suspension getting soft, but it stayed perfect. I guess because it doesn't weigh anything. It doesn't take much suspension to keep this bike really planted.